Welcome to La Trinidad in Benguet, and welcome to Antra on Foot's walking tour. This is a self-paced walking tour that features key heritage sites and cultural highlights in the area. We hope you enjoy this tour as much as we enjoyed curating it. La Trinidad is situated in the province of Benguet, traditionally inhabited by indigenous peoples such as the Ibaloys, mainly the Ibaloy migrants from Tinec and Cancanae. These communities had distinct languages, traditions, and cultural practices. Similar to other mountainous regions in the Philippines, agriculture played a vital role in the pre-colonial history of La Trinidad. The indigenous peoples were skilled in terrace farming, adapting to the challenges mountainous terrain. They cultivated crops such as rice, root crops, fruits, and vegetables using intricate farming and terracing techniques. Pre-colonial societies in the region had well-defined social structures. Communities were organized into extended families and clans, with leadership roles often held by respected elders and individuals with significant influence. Social cohesion and cooperation were essential for survival and sustainable living. The indigenous peoples of La Trinidad held animistic beliefs, worshipping nature spirits, deities, and ancestors. Rituals and ceremonies were conducted to seek blessings for a bountiful harvest, protection from natural elements, and communal well-being. The transmission of cultural knowledge, history, and traditions was primarily done through oral means. Elders played a crucial role in preserving and passing down stories, myths, and the collective wisdom of the community. La Trinidad, being part of the broader Cordillera region, was connected to trade networks that facilitated the exchange of goods and cultural practices between different indigenous groups. This interaction contributed to the cultural diversity and uniqueness of each community. The arrival of Spanish colonizers in the Philippines in the 16th century marked a significant shift in the history of La Trinidad and the Cordillera region. The influences of colonial rule, changes the governance, and the introduction of Christianity have shaped the modern cultural landscape of the area. In 1846, Comandante Guillermo Galvi introduced La Trinidad to the Spanish colonizers, subsequently renaming the area after his wife, Doña Trinidad. This marked the beginning of Spanish political control, leading to the establishment of the district of Benguet in Puguis. The site where the current provincial capital stands once housed the Spanish Presidencia, also referred to as the poblacion or town. The construction of the Presidencia, achieved through forced labor, involved individuals from the various rancherias who used tools like pointed wooden materials for excavation and basket and wooden planes for soil transportation. As an obligation to the Spanish government, many men, women excluded, were compelled to contribute their labor to the construction endeavors of the Spaniards. The trail connecting Baguio to Tublay was built also through forced labor, following the route of the Balili River, turning left toward Pico, Puguis, and Buyagan, and forming a loop around the valley. This Spanish trail linking Baguio to Tublay traversed the poblacion, crossed the Balili River, and terminated the cruise. At the present La Trinidad Central School site, a convent was established by the Spaniards, who initially resided in Poblacion. However, the church was later relocated to Pico. An undisclosed location hosted a school established by the Spaniards with early students including Garcia, Rombis, and Cantores from Pico's prominent families. The Spanish school's duration was brief due to the lack of interested students. The regions of Poblacion and Pico were cultivated with corn and coffee, with a 10-day tribute partially dedicated to coffee planting. Today, La Trinidad is known for its strawberry fields and vegetable farms. The municipality is often referred to as the strawberry capital of the Philippines, due to the widespread cultivation of strawberries in the area. Agriculture, particularly the production of highland vegetables, play a significant role in the local economy.